I'm only trying to contact the spirits of light, no darkness. No dark spirits are allowed. What are you laughing about? Greetings everyone, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal. Today's video you'll be watching is a trial for a spirit box app that I found on Google Play Store. It is a app that is very slowed down during the sessions. In the video, in order for me to hear the replies, I had to speed them up a little bit. The app is called VoiceBox, and I would suggest you give it a try during the editing of the video. If you're using editing software where you can speed up and slow down the voice control on it, I would try that. But like I said, I got some really good replies back. So with no further ado, I will see you all at the end of the video. Take care, and remember, stay safe, and everybody has something to say. Living and the dead, all we need to do is learn to listen. Until the end of the video, I'll see you in the back. Bye. Hello, spirits. I invite you to come in and communicate with me this morning. To use this device in front of you, I have crystals here for you to use the energy from. They were charged up by the full moon. I invite you to communicate with me. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Tom. I'm trying this new app out to see if it works. Can you hear me? Can you communicate through this? Can you tell me your name? I'm going to hold a device here. Can you make it go off in my hand? Thank you. Can you make it go off again? Thank you. Is this device easy for you to use? Can you tell me your name? Can you light that up all the way for me? Can you take it all the way to the red, to the last one over here? Thank you. How many spirits are here with me right now? Can you tell me how many spirits are here? I'm only trying to contact the spirits of light, no darkness. No dark spirits are allowed. Does this give you a voice? Can you use this to talk? I need you to speak clearly. Speak like you did when you were living, as I'm doing so. There's plenty of energy. There's plenty of energy here. You're more than welcome to use some of it. Use the crystals. Are you spirits of the battlefields around here? Or are you spirits of ex-employees, people who used to work here and passed away? You have to speak clear. Focus your energy. I'm going to start another device up. Can you make that go off? Move the meter on it. If you use the other one, you can do this one. You can make it light up or move that oh my God. Move the needle. Use some energy. Can you tell me anything about what's happening in the world today? Will everything be okay in the world? What are you laughing about? You want to hear a joke? Can you tell me a joke? Do you have a sense of humor? Is this app easy to use? can you use this to communicate with? Alright. I'm getting ready to shut this down. I'm going to shut this down. The count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, and I will communicate with you in a little bit. Goodbye. So everyone, what did you think about that video? What do you think about that app? Is it good, bad? What do you think? I believe I'm going to try it again on my next session and see what else I can get out of it. So until then, remember, stay safe, be careful everyone, and God watch over you. So until next time, this is Tom from RedHaven Paranormal signing off. Bye.